Okay, so you're low bidder on another job. Tell me, so wait a second, because I think we spoke yesterday, and yesterday you said you were low on is this a different job?
Yep. Yeah.
You are having a winning streak. That's pretty
Yes.
amazing.
Um, Bear with me 1 second. You gonna grab a crimper or a? Well, I'm at work. The problem is, uh, yes, I'm on a winning streak, but I don't have a contractor lined up. This is a federal prison
Okay.
and repairing boilers. Anything that I need to be,
No,
I just bid this.
boilers are easy, man. You just get in there, pull the old one out, put the new one in, and fire it up.
Well, this is repair work. This is like putting fiberglass over the door, but anything I need to be concerned about on the federal prison side.
just
Um,
just know that it takes about an hour to get in and an hour to get out, because they got to
yeah.
check all your tools and everything, and just make sure you discuss that with your potential subcontractor.
Okay.
Yeah. Boy,
That was
you
it. I just got off the phone with the guy, and he's going to give me an estimate by Monday. I haven't called the guy back,
yeah.
the contracting officer, but I'll send him an email on at 5 o'clock, and that'll give me to Tuesday or Wednesday to organize my contract. But no,
So
this is
if my calculations are right, you're basically booking about $100,000 worth of profit in the past 2 months, 60 days.
yep. 1 second, Sean. But you gonna ride out or are you gonna walk? Okay. All right. Bear with me. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
No. I'm at work trying to juggle things here. I'm at about 75 grand worth of profit. I I can't afford to do what I'm doing anymore. Yeah, and I feel if I were full time doing this, I would be a little more organized because there's some jobs that I just didn't put bids in on or I didn't follow up on because I didn't have the.
Well, I
I'll ring
mean,
the contractors.
if my estimate's correct, you're putting in about 4 or 5 hours a week on this thing. Does that sound about right?
Yeah, yep.
All right, so
I
let's
spend about a
let's
half
let's just
half.
do some simple math, Ryan. So simple math, 4 to 5 hours a week. So let's just say 5 hours a week times 8 weeks. That's 40 hours. That's $2,000 an hour, basically. That's kind of right in the realm of what I told you in the workshop, right?
Yes, yes, yeah. No, it's and I'm only bidding the jobs that I have the time to bid. Because I'll go downstairs, I'll spend about 20 minutes, half hour combing through the jobs and look for ones that I have the time to do. Like it doesn't take a lot of work, and and then I'll kind of do some pre-work on it, and then I let it sit. I'm always like a day or two ahead, 3 or 4 days ahead, and then I go down and I spend about 20 minutes putting it together and send it off. So I spend about yeah 5 6 hours, 4 5 6 hours a week at it. Yeah. And I have in 90 days. In 90 days, I don't know how many. Last month I did 17. The month before I did 15, and the month before that I did like 12. So I'm winning like one out of 20 something.
Yeah, that's about average. I love it.
Yeah, it's great. It's a slam dunker. But I got to get back to work. I just wanted to know if you ever worked with the federal prison. If
Oh yeah, I've done at least a dozen Federal Bureau of Prison jobs over the years.
yeah, and yeah, okay. Anyway, I just wanted to touch base on that and to make sure that I wasn't missing anything. Um,
Nope, you got it, man.
Well, I think in short order here, and I finally got my bank account figured out.
Good.
And I got my first payment. So I got money in the bank. It's starting to organize out here a little bit. So I think
You broke up a little bit, Ryan. Uh, I, you broke up again. You want to try again?
I'm in the middle of the paper mill here, so
Okay, I can hear you now. What were you saying?
I'm in the middle of the paper mill here, so I got to let you go. But
Okay.
I just wanted to touch base real quick.
Hey,
I
I'm super
appreciate your time.
excited. I'm super excited for you, Ryan.
Thank you. Take care.
Yep. Bye bye.